To manipulate an image in Pixellab, you need to first of all create an image entirely to represent the texture you'll be using on that image. Now let me teach you how to do it. This is how to bring in all your images. Make sure that all images are ready and all their backgrounds have been removed. So you first of all bring in the image you'll be using finally for your design. Let's delete this default text. So this is how to make it. Just import the one you'll be using as your final image first. Here is it. So you place it where you want it to be in the design, and then you adjust it to the center. So this is how it will look finally, but we want the images to represent the texture. Now you can just reduce the opacity a bit and then lock it down. So once you reduce the opacity, you can open this layer and lock it down. Now let's bring in the images and place it over that image on the exact spot it is. Now the first one, I'll click on import. This is how to import your image. You click on import. Once you click on import, you bring in the first image. Let's use this one as the first image and place it somewhere around here. Bring in the second image by importing it. So you place this one here, expand it until you have what you want. So you can bring this one to the front by moving your layer to the top. Let's bring in the third one, import again. Continually import your image until you have what you want in your design. So let's make it the third one. So this one, we go to the back of this second one. So you can reduce the size a bit and then place it very well. So now we have just one more space. Then you can copy this one to represent the last space. Copy it and place it here. So now you are good to go. But you know, the first image we bring in is our last result, but we need to remove it from this design first and then give it a background so as to cover all other spaces. So delete this first one. You can still copy this one, bring it to the back, take it to the back first, copy this one, bring it somewhere here, take it to the back. So you need to arrange it the way you want it to be. This is the structure. Now give it a background. I'll be using one background from my gallery. So you import from your gallery. So let's say you are selecting your image from gallery. So you click on from gallery and then you select the background. So I'll pick one of it. Let me look for something cool. Let's select this one. Now the image needs to be adjusted. I'll go to crop and then yes. You can now check your image if they are well placed. If they are not, you arrange it very well again before leaving the design. Now that you've arranged it, you click on this place. Once you click on this place, you save as image. Save in the best possible dimension. You can use ultra mode and then you click save to gallery. So once you save it to gallery, you will start a new project right by clicking on default. Then you click OK. Now that you've started a new project, delete this default text. So once you delete the default text, you bring in the normal image you want to use by clicking on import. This is import. Import your image into your Pixellab. So here is the image we will be using. So something like this. So expand it and then place it where you want it to be. Now place it at the middle by using relative position. So click on relative position and place it there. Reduce the size a bit. Click on relative position and place it at the middle. Now we have the image in here. Now look at the dimension of your image very well. The dimension of your image. something like this from here to here. So don't let the one you are importing now be more than that. So you click on import again, or texture rather. Click on texture. Once you select texture, click on this image icon and then select the image you created. Now this is a square format. You need to reduce it to the portion where the image is, something like this, something close to this place. So now once you adjust the frame of your picture, you activate it, and then you go to texture again and then go to scale and increase it to 100. So this is how to have your image in image manipulation. So if your image is not showing very well, you can still adjust